Today, I'll show you how to clone an email template in Salesforce. Cloning email templates is a fantastic way to save time and ensure consistency across your communications. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign or just need to tweak an existing template for a different purpose, cloning is a super handy feature that Salesforce offers. So, let's dive into the steps and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to start by locating the email template you need to clone. If you're not sure where to find your templates, navigate to the Email Templates tab within Salesforce. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing templates. Take a moment to browse through and identify the one that you'd like to clone. This is a great opportunity to double-check that you're selecting the right template, as this will save you time later on. Once you've found the template you wish to clone, look towards the right side of the screen at the template listing. You'll notice an arrow pointing downward. This is your key to accessing more options for the template. Click on this arrow down button. It's a simple action, but crucial, as it reveals additional functionalities you can perform on the template, including the option to clone it. Now that you've clicked the arrow, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, Salesforce presents a series of action buttons. These buttons might include options like Edit, Delete, and more. Among these, you'll find the Clone button. Click Clone, and you're almost there. This action creates a copy of the template you chose, preserving all the formatting, content, and settings of the original. After clicking Clone, Salesforce will prompt you to make any necessary adjustments to your new template. This is your chance to customize the cloned version to suit your specific need. You might want to change the subject line, update some content, or tweak the formatting. Remember, the idea is to make the template work for you, so don't hesitate to adjust it as needed. Finally, once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, be sure to save your new template. Double-check your work to ensure everything is as you want it. Saving your work ensures that your new template is ready to use whenever you need it, without having to recreate it from scratch. And there you have it. You've successfully cloned an email template in Salesforce. Cloning templates can drastically cut down on repetitive work and help maintain a consistent brand voice across all your communications. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your tasks in Salesforce just a little bit easier. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different templates. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cloning.